AI is transforming the way businesses deliver exceptional customer experiences by leveraging advanced technologies to understand, engage, and satisfy customers. By harnessing the power of AI, companies can create personalized, efficient, and seamless interactions that drive customer satisfaction and loyalty. One key application of AI in customer experience is through virtual assistants and chatbots. These intelligent systems utilize natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to understand customer inquiries and provide real-time assistance. Whether it's answering frequently asked questions, guiding users through the purchasing process, or resolving issues, virtual assistants enhance customer service by providing instant and accurate responses, 24/7. AI also enables personalized recommendations and product suggestions. By analyzing customer data, purchase history, and browsing behavior, AI algorithms can understand individual preferences and offer tailored recommendations. This level of personalization enhances the customer's shopping experience, increases engagement, and boosts sales conversion rates. Another area where AI excels in customer experience is sentiment analysis and social listening. AI algorithms can analyze customer feedback, social media posts, and online reviews to understand sentiment, track brand perception, and identify emerging trends. This valuable insight allows businesses to proactively address customer concerns, improve their products and services, and foster positive brand sentiment. AI-powered analytics and predictive modeling help businesses anticipate customer needs and optimize their operations. By analyzing large volumes of customer data, AI algorithms can identify patterns, trends, and correlations that provide valuable insights into customer behavior. This information enables businesses to make data-driven decisions, improve processes, and deliver personalized experiences that exceed customer expectations. AI also plays a crucial role in automating and streamlining customer support processes. Intelligent routing systems can assign customer inquiries to the most appropriate agents, ensuring faster response times and efficient issue resolution. Automated ticketing systems can classify and prioritize customer requests, improving service levels and reducing response times. In our upcoming videos, we will explore AI applications in areas such as voice recognition, emotion detection, and augmented reality for enhanced customer experiences. Join us as we delve deeper into the exciting world of AI-driven customer experience.